most HVAC systems, they have some form of reheat as part of the dehumidification process. And we see, in my opinion, a surprisingly large number of facilities that have electric reheat coils, supplementing that with natural gas-fired coils. Hot water coils is going to go a long ways to reducing the demand of the facility.
Thanks, Nick.
I think one other item that does help, and it goes to the demand charge, you do sunrise and sunset operation for your lights, because it affects both the lights and the HVAC system from not having to kick in full Monty when all the lights are on.
Yeah, that's definitely one. If you ease things on and off, like with dimming controls, then you can ultimately have your HVAC system not have to react to big swings in humidity when you turn the lights off.